Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to play Hold My Hand, O Lord. So first, this is what it sounds like. Okay, so let's start off with the melody. It's split into the verse and the chorus. So let's start off with the verse. So I'll put the notes up here. This is how you play it. Okay, let's do that again. One more time. And then the next part of the verse. One more time. Okay, let's put it all together. And that's the verse. Okay, now let's do the chorus. Let's repeat that bit. One more time. Now the next bit. Again. So now those two bits combined. One more time. So the entire chorus just repeats that bit. So this is what the entire chorus sounds like. That's the whole chorus. And then it goes back to the verse. So I hope you enjoyed. And now I'll come out with the advanced version soon, so you can play chords on the left hand with it.